Your viewers, your subscribers, big up on yourself. You know it's Newlink production. And people, Newlink has this breaking topic right now and this breaking news that popular journalist Ian Boyne has been hospitalized and is reportedly is in serious condition. You understand? He was home and he got ill and he was rushed to the hospital and they say the matter is very serious, but the family hasn't given what is the cause of his illness right now. You understand? And Ian Boyne, if you have not known Ian Boyne, he is a popular journalist in Jamaica. He has the program that's heard on local TV called Religious Heart Talk and the other program called Profile. And he also have a lot of other little programs that's heard on local TV stations in Jamaica. And he is a big time part of Jamaica Information Service. That's the local program TV that they got in Jamaica right now. So that's Ian Boyne has been hospitalized and they say the condition is very serious, but they still don't give what is the cause or what is the illness that he has that caused him to be hospitalized right now. So we just keep it in our prayers and we just hoping the best for Ian Boyne right now because he's one of the best journalists coming out of Jamaica right now. He is one of the best because he tackle a lot of issues and a lot of topics and he is so awesome. You understand, people? So right now we just hoping the best for him to just come out of his illness and get back fit, get back strong, and come back on local TV again. So, as I said before, Ian Boyne, the popular journalist, has been hospitalized, and his condition, they say, it's very serious. You understand? Because over the years, I have watched Ian Boyne, and I like all his program on TV, especially Religious Art Talk. And he's such a journalist that teaches young people a lot. And he has showcased so much love for young people. I have been watching him over the years. So I just wishing him the best to just fully recover out of this situation right now because we don't want nothing bad to happen to Ian Boyne. So my viewers, my subscribers, let's just all keep Ian Boyne in our prayers.